Alright, I never made a follow-up video of that deuce horn I put on here, but I finally got mine working again because that first one I put on shit the bed. But this is the official rigging up and buttoning up of it. So it's nice and hidden, well, out of the way at least. And you get all, well, turn on some flash. There you go. And then you get all that sitting down, just bolted it down through the floorboard. Little zip strips, and run it on up through, where did I put it through? Right there. Just run it through the firewall. But somehow we pulled power off of something up there. But anyways, wanted to make a video of it again, just because I love this horn. It is the coolest shit ever. And I'm happy I finally got it back working again.